Find out what work order software can do for you. Work order software is used to track field service orders from the time they are opened until job completion. Managers can use it to monitor job status and collect customer, product, and service data. Common work order software features to look for include work order creation, which captures data to create new work orders and automatically creates orders for recurring jobs. Scheduling features organize maintenance jobs, giving managers the ability to view and update a centralized calendar, assign jobs to technicians, and prioritize tasks. Reporting and analysis features let you collect and analyze data related to work order issues, repair costs, and downtime. Additional common features of work order software include work order tracking, customer relationship management, cost estimating, and invoice and payment processing. When choosing work order software, look for a solution that seamlessly integrates with tools you already use so you can easily share data between applications. Key integrations to look for include accounting software, calendar tools, and collaboration platforms. Before making a final decision about which work order software to purchase, it's important to ask the vendor a few key questions. Based on my needs, what are the pros and cons of buying standalone work order software compared to a CMMS or EAM solution? What unique value does your software offer? Can your software integrate with the other applications I use? Ready to find the right work order software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.